Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of I Don't Know His Majesty's a Girl, chapter 83. So here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, the Queen Mother, she was still talking to the brother of the little queen. The minister followed the decree, but it's true that the Underland is seriously injured and it's possible to aggravate the serious injury. We're talking about Nyan Nyan. Viewer has a strong personality. Now, listening to the Empress words like this also because of your next life and death if there is an accident. The minister is only afraid she died. The network was broken. If Nyang Nyang is worried, she can send someone to Yufu. Right now, her brother's still talking to the Queen Mother. Well, the Queen Mother seems to be not interested. Looking at her, she was ignoring the Queen's brother. How come? The Queen Mother said to him. Well, it turns out, the Queen Mother, she really doesn't care about her daughter. Even though she knows herself that the Empress, she was really get hurt. She really don't care about her. You can go to UFO to see if there's anything to help. So as of to get tired of the young lady, I understand. The servants said to the Queen Mother, the Queen has just become pregnant. She has always been concerned about the Emperor. Well, this is really intriguing. How come the Queen that she is really pregnant? Also, at this moment, Queen Mother said, you will lead the old you to the palace. When you get to Yufu, then arrange the third rank above ministers in the court to enter the palace. Someone to accompany it or can be better. So, since the Queen Mother, she already have a feast with the Yu family. Right now, going to the capital to put them into possession in the palace. Well, this is not good. So, the queen, she will really suffer at the hands of the Queen Mother. But her family will be getting better. Even though she was really suffering. Well, it was really sad, right? 50,000 elite soldiers are all here as long as the next order is given. But there's something unclear about the minister. Well, did the Queen Mother also control the soldiers of the palace? What about General Elan? Did she really lose control? Well, let's see. General, please speak. Though there are many Queen Mothers, we do not have military support. Shows off, she can fears the lie of the Queen's mother. I bother to spend a lot of time. There's no military support. Don't need Chinchan to get out of the shell and come to pick up the General Tantailan soldiers. Well, this is really crucial moment how she can able to meet General Tantay and also with the soldiers. I have been seriously ill for many days but I've never feared how much can be courtiers say. Side by side, excuse me, I want to inquire about the safety. Now, it really makes sense. The front route just announced the Queen of the World was pregnant and Vakput also used the excuses to relieve the Empress. Well, this is not good right moment. Sinian footing was really at low. Sima Shao's heart, how can there be no recruitment? Indeed, the Queen Mother's soldiers came from. Well, she doesn't know that to be able to get the footings. As soldiers, she has been in charge of the government for many years and treasury has been tight for many years. Silvers will no longer have wings to fly. Right now, the general was far away, the northwest, and didn't know that uncle of the country was fake. Now, he has already defected, the king of Nanyang. Now, Sinian, it is really a lot of trouble. News from the Beijing has come to the queen. It's time to rule out the dissidents and causing people to panic. The Empress Dowager want to find out. Well, this is crucial, right? If the world was ruled by someone like the Queen Mother, who knows how much the people would suffer. So right now, Sinian is really concerned about the people, also the condition of the people. She knows to herself that they will all suffer. And Thailand was speaking to Sinian. Feng can only fear it, and now it's time to dig off the rotten meat. Ministers and others will dismounted her heads to show off. Sinian ordered and said that tomorrow troops will be retaken back to Miyabi. Now, she was ready. She is really ready now. Take back her position and also be able to get back the queen. This must be really insane for her. She noted to herself that queen, she was really suffering a lot from the queen mother's hand. Are you sure that the emperor is still in Yufu? The emperor's dowager can be caught, but the low class glanced at the cuff, bed and tent, and it was indeed the emperor. The doctor has been healing these days, and although the condition is stable, she has not woken up. Oh, this is really good. Really reporting the wrong news for the Queen Mother itself. So it turns out Xinyan. Well, the news. And also, so she can believe that she was still not waking up until now. Right now, the Queen Mother doesn't know that Xinyan. Also, she was speaking something, so she can able to get back on the palace. Now, it's not the time to start. What about Mingwei and Tantailan? After the accident, General Tantai took the country owner of the city overnight. It turns out Mingwei, well, definitely the Queen Mother. Mingwei, in the end, it's in the vein that the painstaking efforts of this year's if with a man, even if we ran away, she was actually a wild girl. The Queen Mother, she was thinking about Mingwei. After the woman returned home, the court official make any moves. Others knows that what's going on. The Queen Mother and wants to see you today. Back to the little queen, and I will hold another flower banquet. Whether there are pigeons or not into the palace and give them under my nose. Well, the Queen Mother seems to be, she was sure, but of course, whether we can go back or defense or whether the adults are being obedient. Right now, the servant, since everyone knows that she's getting pregnant, Queen Mother is making sure that she can able to receive a proper nourishment for the prince to be born in the future. Right now, someone gave her a note. It could be that it came from Xinyan. Now, the servant is already going to leave. The little queen, she really kept the letter. It must be Xinyan who's trying to get to her. Will be arriving in the capital soon, no matter what the Queen Mother's. Now, it was clearly. Let's see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for supporting. Thank you for joining membership today. Yugashkor, Play Washer. Thank you for joining membership today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!